What up,
Blah.
Clem? Hold on. Bang, bang. Pop out.
Murder
Bang.
was the case and they blamed Clem.
Murder is the base. Murder is the case, and they blame Clem.
What?
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 What? Oh, frickin' wackadoodles.
Hey. ND, why would you say that?
You don't know the song, obviously.
Hey cat my heart. ND, are you quoting the Chameleonaire song?
What do you have to hide, Clementine?
Hi ND.
So, oh man, you know this.
Clem, because you are a murder on the dance floor.
Murder on the dance floor. She slips and falls and skins up her balls. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, I'm too tired for this.
You love it. Hair is the case, and they shaved me.
How are you, cat?
Is that their name, Chameleonaire? All right, I'm breaking stuff here. Ah, maybe I can figure this out. Hold on. Bot, something bot, some streamer bot.
NVM, the murder on the dance floor thing doesn't sound like Chameleonaire lol. Hopefully
Doesn't
Lamb
T.
hasn't fallen asleep and will join.
All right, I gotta change this.
Stream
I'm
Elements
working
bot
on it,
run and
cat.
learn
Give me a
how to
second.
customize the bot here https://streamelements.com.
Thank you.
ND still not too good but I'll be alright, how are you?
Did I freaking break the shit out of this already? Streamer bot. Streamer bot. Shave my. Oh, shut up, Richard. Viewers' actions cues. Actions. Okay. Triggers. What'd you call
Richard,
me?
I'm not asking you to work on anything. Why not good? I'm doing good chillin'.
You're going to. You're going to say something about the voice to chat thing. Blah,
I
blah,
think
blah.
I've got things figured out but it's still mentally taxing.
Okay. Add trigger. YouTube trigger. General. YouTube. No. Send message to channel. User. User group. Oh, I broke something. Oh, yeah. It's something like this. It's not that correct. It's not. It's add core. Core. Core file IO.
ND,
Right.
long story short is my car has been having issues caused by a shop for 6 weeks and now it turns out I need a new car.
Write the file. Okay. Write the file. Chat log. Duh. Um. Freaking chat. Chat. Chat noise. Chat voice. Chat voice. Okay. Append to file. Text to write. Okay. So we want to do the username, which would be percent user percent, and then
I'm sorry to hear that. Sounds expensive.
and then the message, right? Message. Comment, right? Comment or is it message? Let me see. Whisper. Oh, dollar sign. Dollar sign message? I think it's percent sign. All right, let's see if this works. me put this on the freaking desktop. Put it on my desktop, babe. Um, come on, this broken thing.
Thank you. It has been expensive, but I should be getting money back since the shop was negligent and fraudulent.
Negligent and fraudulent. Why doesn't it make the file?
LMAO at that little song, Richard.
I don't even know what I said. I don't even know what I said. Dang it. Oh. Oh man, I gotta get my ADHD checked.
It actually sounded like you were trying to romance someone by talking about your computer.
Great. Now I gotta freaking check it out. Let's see. Okay, I know it doesn't exist. Oh, I gotta create new file, new
You said
text
put it
file.
on my desktop, baby.
Put it on my desktop, babe. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Okay, let's see if this works. Oh, it's double text. Oh, Richard. I guess it shouldn't matter. Let's see. All right. All right. Now if I minimize, what is it? Windows M. All right. Somebody say something. Nobody said anything yet.
Blat.
There you go.
You've sang way stupider things than that.
How do I reload from disk? Well, that didn't work either. Okay. All right. Everything. Yeah, of course. What do you mean? Of course I said way stupider things than that. I'm the king of the ding-a-ling. Like that. That's stupider. Oh, jeez. Why do I do this to myself? Okay. All right, let's see. StreamerBot chat to text file. Let's see. Okay, write the file action. You can set up an event on message. There's a customer command. Go to the events chat. Oh, I probably didn't do append to file because I'm an idiot and a jerk. And that should be set to work. Man, I'm an idiot.
Like the bathroom song, too.
Oh, yeah. I'm definitely good at that stuff too. File, reload from disk.
Can I say something?
Please do. And you already did. Menu. Home. Platforms.
Just please say something interesting. Something. Not the word something.
I hope he says the word something interesting. Choose an account. Richard. 110th grade in his house. Clicking on the screen with my Ms. House.
Damn it, husband, I told you not to.
Clicking on the screen with my Ms. House. Uh-oh.
I can't change.
I can't change. It
Yes, you
works.
can.
It works. It works. It works. It works. It works. Okay, I'm gonna shut this one off. I'm gonna shut this one off, and now this should work. I think. Let's say. Okay, let's see if we can get new voices. Okay, so let's go to let's do this. So now I've got it going to a text file. So now I should be able to take the input from a text file. I don't know if this is gonna work.
ND Beats I can't change. Actual factual, yes you can. ND Beats I can't change. Actual factual, yes you can. ND Beats if I could I would. ND Beats I can't change. Actual factual, yes you can. ND Beats if I could I would. I fail first, I smell like rotten clementines. ND Beats I can't change. Actual factual, yes you can. ND Beats if I could I would. I fail first, I smell like rotten clementines. Actual factual, Richard, you look so bewildered.
I'm working on it.
ND Beats I can't change. Actual factual, yes you can. ND Beats if I could I would. I fail first, I smell like rotten clementines. Actual factual, Richard, you look so bewildered. Mrs. Lovely Lamb Lunch, why would Rich ever say that? ND Beats I can't change. Actual factual, yes you can. ND Beats if I could I would. I fail first, I smell like rotten clementines. Actual factual, Richard, you look so bewildered. Mrs. Lovely Lamb Lunch, why would Rich ever say that? Actual factual, well, if you're not gonna change, I'm not gonna change anything about myself either.
Dang. Okay, that didn't work. All right, read line by line. If enabled, the input
ND
text
Beats I
file.
can't change. Actual factual, yes you can. ND Beats if I could I would. I fail first, I smell like rotten clementines. Actual factual, Richard, you look so bewildered. Mrs. Lovely Lamb Lunch, why would Rich ever say that? Actual factual, well, if you're not gonna change, I'm not gonna change anything about myself either. ND Beats Richard Clementine drama, I fail first, dang. ND Beats I can't change. Actual factual, yes you can. ND Beats if I could I would. I fail first, I smell like rotten clementines. Actual factual, Richard, you look so bewildered. Mrs. Lovely Lamb Lunch, why would Rich ever say that? Actual factual, well, if you're not gonna change, I'm not gonna change anything about myself either. ND Beats Richard Clementine drama, I fail first, dang. Mrs. Lovely Lamb Lunch, I love Richard, there's no drama nerd face. ND Beats I can change. Actual factual, yes you can. ND Beats if I could I would. I fail first, I smell like rotten clementines. Actual factual, Richard, you look so bewildered. Mrs. Love.
All right, yeah, we got to figure that out. That's kind of a pain in the ass. All right. What is this thing called? Squawk the text. Squawk text to speech setup. GitHub. Don't, okay. Squawk plugin. Yeah. Okay. Uses Sherpa Onyx. Set up the text. Okay, voice training model. Okay, set it up. Okay, well. Windows controlling. Okay, it's not helpful. It's not helpful. Set up the monitoring the text file. Great. Okay, tutorial. Great. Now we got to watch the tutorial.
Hello and welcome to
What's
Text
up,
to
Chicken
Speech on
Muffins?
OBS.
I got you.
Squawk
I
is an
got you,
OBS
Mr.
plugin for
Muffins.
real-time local text-to-speech. No network or cloud
Maybe.
provided service needed. What you are hearing now is generated on the
Maybe
fly
not.
by Squawk. Let's see how it works.
Hello everyone, Roy here. Today I want to share with you Squawk, a real-time text-to-speech engine for OBS.
Yeah.
Why
Where's
with
the
a button
OBS part?
click plugin? Well, you are seeing. In the properties window, you will find an option to generate speech right away with a button click. Let's try
I
that
don't want
now.
to do that.
Hello and welcome to Text to Speech on OBS.
However, the source can also monitor other sources or sentences to generate. You can select the text source, and then, if the contents of that text source change, Squawk will automatically
Okay,
generate
if
the
it
speech.
if
Let's
it
try that. I will
changes.
select this local vocal subtitles text source I have here in my scene, and I'm going to add some text in it.
Hello and welcome to Text to Speech on OBS.
Squawk can also monitor
Chicken
a text
muffins.
file
I
in the
like
same
chicken
exact
nuggets.
way. The other options here are to select the speech model. We have a long list of
Just
predefined
frickin' get
models
to
here
it.
with various languages. They also have in here. With the monitor, you should now be seeing subtitle output the text to a text file so that we can monitor it with the text-to-speech engine.
Oh, that's
We're going to set it on you that phone.
Generated.
In the Squawk plugin is to control the speed. Let's add them. Yes, plugins, you will find the OBS button. Any incoming text
All right, this
via
is not
video
helping
or
me
via
at
scene,
all.
even OCR or an API call, or from any sort of automation that you have in your OBS. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, that's not very helpful. What's this thing called? It's called something. Oh, I don't even have it on there, do I? Squawk text to speech. Oh shit. Okay. All right. Hold on. Okay. All right. My bad. My bad. My bad.
All right, let's give this little fella a shiny top. Just a happy highlight right there. There we go. Now, this is a can of D's nuts. You open it up, you might just find your mom in there because she keeps eating all of mine. That's okay. Sharing is caring. Just don't let her keep the whole can.
Bam! Bam! Squawk chat to text. Damn it. Squawk chat to text OBS setup. Okay, it's not helpful. What I want to know is why is it doing everything? Let's see. Go to vertical full thickness, Control C. Let's put this everywhere. Let's put this everywhere.
Miss Lamsai and dbeats chuck and muffins https://youtube.b/x6khxyhtts6w psi equals gear tone hck68bk0m ndbeats I can't change actual factual yes you can ndbeats if I could I would I fail first I smell like rotten Clementine actual factual
Enable
Richard you
waiting
look so
for
bewildered
input
Mrs. Lovely
changes
Lamb
to
Lunch why would
M.
Rich ever say that actual factual well if you're not going to change I'm not going to change anything about myself either. ND beats Richard Clementine drama. Fair first time Mrs. Lovely Lamb Lunch actually I love Richard there's no drama nerd face ND beats but imperfect cat chicken muffin Q4P date chicken muffin Q4P show space carbon 9 https
Oh, okay. Never mind. I think. Okay.
SXW equals gear
Okay.
10
I think.
68 BK0M chicken muffin Q4P PLS chicken muffin Q4P please Mrs. Lovely Lamb Lunch Miss Lamb Sai ND beats chicken muffin space cowboy 9 https://youtube.b/x6khxyht SXW Sai equals gear
All right.
10
That should do it there. Hold on.
68 BK0M ND beats dancing
So,
in relay.
I think what I need here is I need it to. Maybe I should have watched the tutorial with these nuts in your mouth, these nuts in your tonsils. Okay, so that would be read from the file, but instead I can have it do this. Add a chat, add a browser source. Okay, and then we're gonna go to. Oh, no, cancel that. Delete that. Add a text GDI chat talk. Read from file. Browse the file. Grab the chat. Okay. All right. I'm gonna start this. Now, if I minimize that, but if I use the okay, let me clear it first so we don't have to put my nuts on your tonsils. All right, give me 30 seconds. S to the D, S to the D, S to the S to the S to the D. No. I think I broke it again. Okay. All right. Squawk. Chat talk. Edit. Input. Chat talk. Okay. All right. Somebody say something. Okay. Didn't work. Okay. Huh. That don't work at all either. Oh, right, because it can't. No, that doesn't work either. Oh, this. Okay, never mind. Okay, let me see. Okay, hold on. I don't work either.
Hello, world.
Do you recall? And these things, something in the chat is not being perfect. Well, it's not talking anymore. All right, maybe I should have wanted to.
A new audio source. A new audio source called Squawk Text-to-Speech. Add this new source to your scene. In the Properties window, you will find an option to generate speech right away with a button click. Let's try that now.
Hello and welcome to text-to-speech on
Hey,
OBS.
he looks.
However, the source can also monitor other sources
Lonely.
or sentences to generate. You can select the text source, and then, if the contents of that text source change, Squawk will automatically generate the speech.
Okay.
Let's try that. I will select this local vocal subtitles text source I have here in my scene, and I'm going to add some text in it.
Hello and welcome to text-to-speech on
Okay.
OBS.
Squawk can also monitor a text file in the same exact way. The other options here are to select the speech model. We have a long list of
All right,
predefined
let's see.
models here with various
Yeah,
languages. They also have multiple speakers in each model, which you can control from the speaker ID option in here. So let's select
Oh,
a
great.
Spanish-speaking
Oh,
model
what did I
and
miss?
generate a sentence in Spanish.
Hola mundo.
With the monitoring feature, you can also generate speech from incoming subtitles as well. Let's enable local vocal on my microphone here.
Local vocal.
You should now be seeing subtitles on the screen. However, we would want
Okay,
also
so
to output the text
so this thing that he's doing here, how it does the
to a
subtitles,
text file so that we can monitor it with
but
the
instead
text-to-speech
of
engine.
it showing the text on the screen, it can trigger the shake when I cuss. So if my cuss word's in that, it can bleep my cuss word. And all right, that's what I was gonna work on before, but it wasn't that
We're going to set it so that it only outputs one sentence at each time
Yeah,
while
that's what I
selecting
want.
truncate file on new sentence.
Oh, what?
Now that the subtitles are going to the file, let's have Squawk monitor that file and generate text-to-speech from those contents.
All right, what'd you say?
Are going to the file, let's have Squawk monitor that file and generate text-to-speech from those contents. I'm going to mute my microphone.
I'm going to mute my microphone. Now I'm speaking. But you should be hearing generated text-to-speech voice. Let's reset back everything.
The other options in the Squawk plugin is to control the speed. Let's add a sentence like so.
You can generate speech fast or slow as you wish.
SQU.
You can generate speech faster
Squawk
or slow as you
OBS.
wish.
Since Squawk will be downloading the speech model.
Man, there's no way there's only one freaking tutorial. Okay, there's a whole like 900,000 of them. Shut up, Space Cowboy. Do you recall how important this was to? No, it's not that important. It's not that important at all. But I figured it was, considering I have it working 95% of the way. I figured I was just missing a setting somewhere, and it would just be like, oh, click this. And then to me. What's the difference? It's just like uh oh dang it, I just lost my mind. Use and oh dang it. So a distinction is to like point out a difference. So like a distinction is like they're both Christians, but one is a Baptist, which is it's a distinct, like a it's it's not a difference because they're both Christians and one is another sect of Christianity, like Baptist. So that's the best way I could think of it at the moment. Something. What's the difference between something? All right, hold on. All right, this is probably what I did wrong. Let me see. All right.
I fail first HLO. I fail first Dang. I fail first Joe. Space Cowboy 9, do you recall? Actual factual ND saying something in the chat is not being perfect. I fail first lol. Actual factual also. You keep trying to get second and third whilst on here. Mrs. Lovely Lamb Luncho. Actual factual infidelity is not perfect either.
Oops.
He's lonely. Mrs. Lovely Lamb Lunch Cat didn't hesitate with that one loudly crying face. Actual factual, so am I, yet I'm monogamous. Space Cowboy 9, is text to speech really that necessary? Mrs. Lovely Lamb Lunchies determined dig. Space Cowboy 9, https://youtube.com/short/dkbdm3hutdsi equals el4vtxjm0gnnu9k. ND beats, what is the difference between difference and distinction? ND beat something. I fail first HLO. I fail first Dang. I fail first Joe. Space Cowboy 9, do you recall? Actual factual ND saying something in the chat is not being perfect. I fail first lol. Actual factual also. You keep trying to get second and third wives on here. Mrs. Lovely Lamb Luncho. Actual factual infidelity is not perfect either. Space Cowboy 9, he's lonely. Mrs. Lovely Lamb Lunch Cat didn't hesitate with that one lovely crying face. Actual factual, so am I, yet I'm monogamous. Space Cowboy 9, is text to speech really that necessary? Mrs. Lovely Lamb Lunch, he's determined dig. I fail first H-fellow. I fail first Dying. Space Cowboy 9,
All right, I'm turning it off.
https://youtube.com/short/dkbdm3hutd.
All right, I'll do one more thing. Why is my squawk text to speech rereading the text file every time? No way. There's a new one. Okay, yeah, all right, fine. I'm not using that one anymore. So this one is actually, and it said it's no longer in production. But all right, let's get back to where Space Cowboy was. Let me take these off here real quick first. Squawk off.
And NU9K. ND beats, what is the difference between difference?
Shut up. Okay, all right, let's shut off now. All right, let's see what he. What's up, Chris?
We'll just add a little friend right here. Oh, no. No. That looks awful. Ah, come on, piece of... God damn it. Fuck this. Fucking shit. I hate art. Fuck this dumbass paint. You hear me? Fuck it all. We'll just add a little friend right here. Oh, no. That looks awful. Ah, come on, piece of... God damn it. Fuck this. Fucking...
Dude, they didn't do his hair very well. Look how wackadoodle his hair looks. Not AI, lol. Look at his hair. Yeah, that new beautiful afro, that's freaking wackadoodle. My man had freaking chops. Alright, let's see. Dang it. Oh. Do you see what I see? Okay. I told you that I cannot compute. I cannot compute. I cannot I cannot compute. I would have to say that you're wrong. AI's farts don't smell this bad. I lose my. What if I told you I would say. You got it out of me, Kristen. They call me DJ Poo Gas. Live background removal. Local vocal captions. Huh. Okay. Local vocals a plugin allow you to transcribe and translate speech into text locally on your machine. No GPU required. Steady output. Transcribe only the text in 100 language. Display captions on the screen. Bring your own whisper model. Translate captions. All right, I know what I'm doing tomorrow. All right. All right. Let me close down some of these things. Best AI dog videos. Yeah, yes, we're making I'm gonna double check with Chi, but yeah, we're gonna make cookies tomorrow. I've got everything. I don't know if you guys saw in the Wacka Jam, the freaking Discord.
Well, hello there, sweetheart. Are you lost?
Well, hello there, buddy. Where'd you come from?
And it blows up. Mad Geek. That's freaking crazy.
Mad geek.
Mad Geeked. Mad Geeked. Dark Lives Matter. Black Lives Matter. Black Lives Dark Matter. Dark matters. Dark matter matters. She is going to show us her true identity. Yep. She's got she's going to be on stream. By the way, I haven't gone anywhere. I'm just lonely chat GPT. Dude, you guys in chat GPT. I really hope like that it's very important to check your references. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Like, interesting thing is, if you guys have watched that Robbie Starbuck thing, dude, what did I call you? Damn it. Oh, a snail. Oh, okay, gotcha. All right, I thought you were talking to me. Okay, pedophile. I guarantee she does. You're so full of shit, Kat. Because you said the other day you asked it to compliment you or give you the best compliments ever or some wackadoodle stuff. There's a reason for that. Right, exactly. I want your Chat GPT logs. We'll look at them right now on stream. You got my email, and Dia wants yours too. craziest chat GPT logs. No, I asked it to interpret the weird compliment someone gave me in Vegas. You can prove that right now. No, I'm just playing with you guys. Yeah, go lay down, frickin' Clementine. All right, hold on. I wonder. Add chat to. Fuck. Add chat to file streamer bot. Did I say I love you? I love you. Oh, I mean when you say bye. Love you, Clem. Have a good one, girl. Have a good one, girl. Oh, and look what the computer brought up. Did I say I love you? And it says is saying love you. Oh, is saying I love you always necessary? And I didn't. It was just listening to me. All right, where am I at? Yeah, exactly. She's gonna call Lamb. I think she's wrong too. Lamb is asleep. Dollars to donuts. Okay, philosophical. Defend your statement then. Philosophically. Defend your statement. All right. That's first of all, let me take care of this. All right. All right. What's going on here? Something's all wackadoodle. Oh, let me close this stuff down. Man, close window. Something is to. Oh, it's probably this stuff. Okay, there we go. I got it worked out. I'm gonna change operating systems tomorrow. This is freaking crazy. It says my 70% of my CPU is being used. Oh, let me close this too. Start streaming, start recording, start virtual camera. Virtual camera's not one. 75%. All right, let me see what I'm doing here. I probably got all kind of stuff wrong.